Hey, welcome back to Robu. Hope you guys are staying safe, staying at home. And today's video, what we're going to talk about is how to use the Raspberry Pi Imager tool. So let's get ahead with it. Now this is a tool that we all have been waiting for. We have been using Win32 disk or the Balena etcher all the time. But now, because the process was so random in all the different operating system platforms like Mac, Linux, Windows, it was so different. Now that we have a universal imager tool, just makes things easier for all of us. Well, now Raspberry Pi do suggest you to buy a preloaded Noobs SD card from your Raspberry Pi reseller. But then we sometimes want to re-etch it on our SD cards because there's some issue with the OS or something of that sort. Now that we have a universal imager tool, it just makes things easier for all of us that way. Now the question is how to use this imager tool. First thing that you have to do is download the imager tool, link for which is provided down in the description. First thing you have to do after downloading and installing the imager tool is choose the operating system you want to go with. Once you click on the choose OS button, you get a list of operating systems, format options, also EEPROM recovery options for Raspberry Pi 4 boot issue. You just select the operating system that you want to go with, like be it Raspbian or Libre Elect. Second thing that you have to do is choose your SD card. Once you click on the choose SD card button, you just select the SD card that you have inserted in your laptop or your SD card reader. Here we have a 32GB class 10 SD card. Note that the higher the class of the SD card, the better the Pi will perform. The next step is click on the write button. What you have to do is write your operating system on the SD card that you selected. And that's it. Once the OS has been written on the SD card, it will just verify it and it has been etched. You can just pull out the SD card and put it in the Raspberry Pi and it will work perfectly. That's been it. That's how you use the Raspberry Pi Imager tool. It's a very simple tool to use. It's very universal. You can use on every OS that you have, be it Mac, be it Linux, or be it Windows. And yeah, it's very easy to use. And this has just been a quick video on how to use this Imager tool. And that's been it. If you like this video, like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more such content. We're coming up with a lot more videos. Also note that we started delivery and we're also delivering PPE products. There will be more information on it soon, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.